We have to find the value of x for the following trigonometric equation, which is question Roman 1, tan x equals to cot x plus cos x. So basically we have to take sin x over cos x equals to cos x over sin x plus 1 over sin x. After that, what shall we do?
So after that, we have to simplify the equation by turning it into sin x over cos x, then which is equal to cos x plus 1 over sin x.
Oh, I see. Then you will get sin square x equals to cos square x plus cos x, which is you will get 1 minus cos square x equals to cos square x plus cos x. So after that, what you need to do?
After that, we will get the answer of cos square x plus cos square x plus cos x equals to 1, and then we will get the answer 2 cos square x plus cos x minus 1 equals to 0.
Oh, I see. What we need to do, Daniel?
Then we need to factorize the equation, which is it become to 2 cos x minus 1 and cos x multiplied with 1. Multiply and plus is the same.
Plus 1. And we get 0. So after that, to simplify it, we have to use 2 cos x minus 1, which is equals to 0. Cos x equals 1 over 2. Then what we have to do?
Then it will become x equal to cos x.
Then we get then alpha equals to cos negative 1 bracket 1 over 2, which is equals to alpha equals to 60 degrees. And then for the second one, cos x plus 1 equals 0, cos x equals negative 1, alpha equals cos x cos negative 1 bracket negative 1, then the alpha is equal 0 degrees. So why don't you guys show us Roman 2 question? So for the Roman 1, what quadrant?
So for the Roman 1, for the first equation is quadrant 1, which is theta equal to alpha, which is then theta equal to 60 degree. And for the second equation, it will be in quarter 4, which the formula would be theta equal to 360 minus alpha, which then will be 360 degrees minus 60 degrees, which then will be equal to 300 degrees.
I see. Then we just continue with the Roman 2.
So for the Roman 2 question, we got the question of 3 cot square x plus cosec x minus 1 equals to 0. So first of all, we have to factorize the cot square x become cos cosec square x minus 1, and then we have to addition it to cosec x minus 1 equals to 0. So we will get the answer of 3 cosec square x minus 3 plus cosec x minus 1 equals to 0. And then we have to
separate the 3 cosecant x minus 4 and cosecant x plus 1. So the first one is 3 cosecant x minus 4 is equals to 0, and then we need to find the cosecant x first, and it will become 4 over 3, and then we factorize the cosecant to become 1 over sinus x equals to 4 over 3, and then we calculate it, we got alpha equals to 48.69 degree. And then for the second batch, the cosecant x plus 1, we need to find the cosecant x first, which is equals to -1, and then we factorize the cosecant x to become 1 over sinus x equals to -1, and then we calculate it, we got alpha equals to 90 degree.
So let us continue with the what quadrant is going to be. So what's the quadrant? So from what I observe here, for the first answer is quadrant 1, which is theta equals to alpha, and theta is 48.59 degrees, and the second one is on quadrant 3, which is theta equals 180 degrees plus alpha equals to 180 plus 90 degrees, which is equals to 217 degrees. So that's all for question 1. Let's continue for question 2. So basically for question 2, we are given sine A equals to 4 over 5, where A is an acute angle and cos B is equals -5 over 13, where B is an obtuse angle. We have to find the value of sine A minus B. So first and foremost, we have to separate everything, and then sine bracket A minus B equals to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, which is equals to bracket 4 over 5 bracket -5 over 13 minus bracket 3 over 5 bracket 12 over 13 bracket, and we will get the answer. So the answer is -56 over 65. So you guys can continue with the next question.
So for the question 3, given the length of x equals to 5 centimeter, y equals to 6 centimeter, and angle of z equals to 47 degree. As shown in figure A, we need to find the area of the triangle x, y, and z, and length of z. So for this equation, we need to list down all the information that we got, and then we need to find the length of z first. So for the equation is z square equals to x square plus y square minus with 2xy cos 2, and then we need to calculate it. We will get 4.48 centimeter.
Yes, that's correct. So do you know how to find the area of a triangle? Okay.
we have to use the formula of triangle x, y and z equals to 1 over 2 xy sinus z. So we have to put the information here. That's 1 over 2, x is 5, and we got a y for 6 and sinus 47 degree.
So, Sharon, why don't you calculate the answer?
So from the equation that we got, the answer that we would have is 10.97 centimeters square.
Yeah. So that's all for our question, and here comes the theory, which is we have to illustrate among ourselves how trigonometry concepts are relevant in real world application or scenarios. So for first and foremost, in my opinion, trigonometry is highly relevant in real world scenarios, particularly in fields like engineering, architecture, computer graphics and animation, and also astronomy. For example, in construction, architects use trigonometry ratios to calculate structural angles and heights.
Well, in addition to that, music and sound engineering implement trigonometry functions such as graphic, sine and cosine for the creation of sound waves.
Moreover, computer graphics and animation use trigonometry to render three-dimensional image on two-dimensional screen to help calculate angles and lighting.
Even in aviation, pilots rely on trigonometry for navigation and they calculate distance between locations using GPS system. To conclude, trigonometry plays a crucial role in various real-world applications, from construction and navigation to computer graphics and music engineering.
So I think trigonometry ability to calculate angles and distance and relationship between shapes makes it indispensable in many fields. So don't you guys agree?
Yes, I would agree to that.
So that's all our discussion from Group A.